This video will review a commonly requested topic: how do I print my map in Piper? If you look in the toolbar above the GIS, you'll find the Print Preview Mode button. Simply click that button, and a new print toolbar is going to appear above the GIS. We will review each of the features in this printing toolbar. The first button simply sends the map directly to your printer. It's followed by a drop list, and from this drop list you can select a printer. In this case it's defaulting to a OneNote digital printer. If you had a hardware printer such as a plotter, that would also appear here in this list. Right now I'm going to select a PDF printer. The next drop list allows you to select a page size. Note that the page sizes available are determined by the printer driver. If I were to switch to, say, an XPS document, the list of page sizes available to me is different than that seen under the alternate PDF printer. Following that, I can choose a portrait or landscape orientation for my page. After orientation, a very useful tool is this Reset Print Region to All Facilities. This works much the same as the Reset GIS Position button. If I click it, you will notice that the print area has expanded to include all of my on-screen facilities. If after resetting the area to include all of the facilities, it does not actually reflect the area that you would like to print, you can simply grab the outside edges of this box and change the region that's going to be included in your print. You'll notice that when I grabbed the corners I had a double-headed arrow. What if this is the size that I'm looking to print, but in fact I want to move it? You'll notice my cursor is now a four-headed arrow, and I can simply drag or slide that print area, highlighted here, by using that four-headed arrow cursor. And if I were to hit print now, this area would be what is sent to the printer. The last feature that we're going to review in this toolbar is the print configurations. You can actually create printing setups and save them as part of your model by using this Create a New Printing Configuration button. Simply give it a name and set it to have whichever parameters you would like. So perhaps this is the location, maybe you would like a landscape style orientation, you want to use the XPS printer. If I create a new one, maybe this time I'm going to go portrait, fit all of my facilities. We'll give that a different name. You'll notice now that the configurations created are both visible here under this list, and by simply selecting a previously created printing configuration, not only does it save the printer, page size, and orientation, it also saves the printed area I had previously selected. If we change to the second configuration shown, it will demonstrate this. You'll see that the area to be printed, page size, and even the printer have changed. A final thing to remember is that you may want to consider what it is you'd like to show on your printout prior to sending it to the printer. So don't forget to adjust any annotations that are interesting to you. Perhaps you don't want the annotations. Select any background images that may or may not be of interest to you. And make sure that you're content with the printing setups that you have. Once you're ready, simply hit the print button and you'll be prompted to either send to a hardware printer or send to a digital printout as I've just done. Finally, once you have printed out the maps that you require, simply click the Print Preview Mode button again, and you will exit the printing mode.